Hi! If you've never seen me before, welcome. My name is Naomi and I'm a YouTuber based in Nigeria. I do both beauty vlogs and lifestyle. So if you're interested in seeing today's video, kindly do keep on watching. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get into this video. Hey guys, so this is a really easy low ponytail that you can do in less than 5 minutes, and this is really perfect for school, date nights, casual outings, even dinner. Like, you can totally do this if you're not even feeling like wearing a wig or making your hair and stuff like that. This extension is from the Xpression collection, and I use just one section from the pack and it's really full and I like it. Super soft. Now I just went ahead to use the eco styling gel to sort of make my baby hairs look cute and stuff like that, you know what I mean. So after this I tied it down and allowed it to dry. Then I also went ahead to do my makeup, and if you're interested in seeing that makeup video, subscribe down below to my channel and click the bell beside it, because the video is going to go up tonight. That's the only way you're going to get notifications, okay? So yeah, that's what's up. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and if you're able to learn a thing or two, don't forget to share this video with your friends. And yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Mwah.